Welcome back to Mud Lake Ranch. Today we're here with another pistol safe from BlackSmith. This one can be mounted under your desk or next to your bed, freeing up the space on your nightstand or making it a little bit more concealed than the other bedside safes that I've reviewed so far. So this safe is a narrow design. It is extremely heavy for its size. So it is a beefy steel construction. As you can see, the battery compartment is on the exterior of the safe, which is unusual, and I'm going to test to see if removing the batteries will eventually reset this to factory. If that's the case, that's a vulnerability because the factory code is 1234. Very cool self-opening design, and as you can see here, it has a built-in light to make it a little bit easier to see your firearm in dark conditions. We've skipped the unboxing and got right into the safe. I've already installed the batteries. It's 4 AA's right on the back here. This little latch just opens and you insert the batteries there. Your keypad is on the top surface, so if it's under a desk, make sure you leave room to be able to see your digits here when setting your password. One thing that really threw me off with this, it does come with the hardware, which I didn't look at before opening it, but first time you open it, you can use passcode 1234 like I mentioned, or the key. The key slot is on the bottom of the safe, so don't mount this too close to the floor if you're mounting it bedside, otherwise you won't be able to put the key in to open the safe. It also opens down, so you're going to want to have it, I guess, on its side or something when you open it. It also doesn't have enough spring power to open upwards, only sideways. So kind of awkward with the key. That's for backup only to begin with. Let me grab a gun and see how it works. I'll grab a couple. This one here is the ATI Moxie. This gun has not even been fired yet. As you can see, the gun is clear. It has a chamber flag in it and the magazine is empty. So this has not been cut yet. But if you wanted to, you could cut out for the trigger guard here. That gun fits just fine. It can be cut to accept either, yeah, that won't fit that way. It can be cut to fit subcompacts, compacts, or even a full-size firearm. Let's try another one. There will be a review coming up on this ATI Moxie very soon as I get around to it. I just haven't been home lately, and I have not been able to shoot. Like today, I have a football game for kids in a few minutes, and yesterday it rained all day. I got a little bit of firewood done late in the day, but not much. So this gun, you're going to look forward to this one. This is the SAR SOCOM C, I believe. So, yeah, SAR SOCOM 9C. This is a compact. This gun is also clear. Chamber flag is in it. Still got the tag on it. I have not shot this. This is another review coming up soon on the channel. So you'd want to trim around the trigger guard there to make it set in there nicely, but it fits just fine here. Cleared and it's in. So almost knocked the trigger scale off. Also have a trigger scale now for my reviews. That was sent to me by Wheeler. So looking forward to having that. Check all of the trigger weights as we do these reviews to add another element to them. So fits the guns well. This would look really nice underneath my desk at work. Then I'd have a safe storage place if I didn't want to have it on me if I was leaving work to go to a place that doesn't allow firearms, or if you're just not comfortable, or if your gun's you get sick of the gun in the waistband, you could slap it in here while you're at your office that they allow the safe. If not, just keep it concealed like you normally would. But there have been instances at work where I kind of wish I had a safe to chuck my gun in, and if I didn't want to have it in my pocket or in my waistband, for home use, this would be great for a home office, for a bedside safe, is the reset button. It is, you have to push the drawer back in, and it's up inside about here, kind of along in the nine. So long press the settings key till the buzzer beeps twice. Then you can set your new code. So we'll do 4, 5, 6, 1. And then the setting button again. If it beeps twice, you've locked in your password. So 4, 5, 6, 1 should now work. You have to first press to get the keypad to wake up, and then the keypad will open. So password 4, 5, 6, 7. The same process to set your fingerprint. Long press, beeps twice. And then press 3 times with the finger you want to open it with. I think you're supposed to hit the setting button. It says use the same fingerprint on the fingerprint recognition area 3 times, and it should beep twice. I don't think it just did that, so hey, must have. I didn't hear 2 beeps. Maybe I was crazy. Said it would beep 3 times. Oh. So yeah, you do 3 presses and then it will lock. I didn't see any mention of adding additional fingerprints, but let's try it. Let's try a middle finger. Alright, so that one's set. Try the index first. The index is set. Middle finger set. So you can add multiple. I'm not sure how many. I didn't get that far into the manual before doing this review, but that is all of the setup that you really need to know. If you want to factory reset it completely, you're holding this button. Oh, we didn't check to see how pistols work. Let's throw a pistol in here. So factory reset, hold the button for 5 seconds. A long beep means it is reset, meaning that my fingerprints shouldn't work now. And 4, 5, 6, 7 shouldn't work now. 4, 5, 6, 1. So now we're back to 1, 2, 3, 4. It's been factory reset now.